बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतुम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर। सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट क्विज क्वेश्चंस फॉर द grade O1 term 1 unit 1 for the subject biology. This is the title page of the book Biology, code 5090. So the first question is, what happens to plant cell when it is placed in fresh water? Answer it, plant cell becomes turgid. So the next question is, define concentration gradient. Answer is, the difference between an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration is called concentration gradient. Next question is, why xylem is considered dead? Because xylem has no protoplasm. That's why it is considered dead. Question is, by which process root hair cell absorbs mineral ions? Answer is active transport. By which process root hair cells absorbs water? Answer is osmosis. The finger-like projections of a root hair cell gives the cell dash to maximize the absorption of water and mineral ions. Answer is large surface area. Question is, the genetic material DNA is located in which organelle of the cell? Answer is nucleus. Which structure acts as a selective semi-permeable filter for the cell? Answer is cell membrane. What is the name of jelly-like substance that is inside the cell? Answer is cytoplasm. In which condition plant cell become plasmolysed? Answer is when plant cell is placed in concentrated salt solution, then it become plasmolysed. Question is, which three conditions are necessary for osmosis? Answer is, number 1, the molecules must be of water. Number 2, molecules must pass through partially permeable membrane. Number 3, molecules must move down the concentration gradient. These are the three conditions which are necessary for osmosis. Now the question is, what is the basic unit of living organisms? Answer is cell. What are the adaptations of red blood cells to perform its function efficiently? They have circular biconcave shape and they do not have nucleus. These are the two adaptations of the red blood cell to perform its function efficiently. Define tissue. A group of cells that perform similar functions is called tissue. Which organelle is called powerhouse of the cell? Answer is mitochondria. Define diffusion. The movement of any substance down the concentration gradient is called diffusion. What is the function of centrioles? It helps in cell division. What will happen to animal cell when placed in distilled water? Animal cell will burst. Define organ. A group of tissues that have been adapted to perform a specific function is called an organ. What is the function of central vacuole in plants? It is responsible for storing many substances. What is the composition of plant cell wall? Plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. Name some organs. Eye, tooth, lung, liver, skin, brain, heart, stomach, kidney. These are all the examples of organs. The outer layer of the plant cell is called cell wall. These structures are found in plant cells only: chloroplast and cell wall. What is the term for the diffusion of water across a semi-permeable membrane? Osmosis. Which organelles supply energy to a cell? Mitochondria. Which phrase best describes the property of selective permeability? Some molecules pass. Water moves into a cell when the solution surrounding the cell is hypotonic. A solution that is hypertonic to a cell has more solutes than the cell. Give examples of tissue: blood, bones, muscles. Define osmosis. The movement of water molecules down the concentration gradient through partially permeable membrane is called osmosis. Which transport requires energy? Answer is active transport. Which organelle is called brain of the cell? Answer is nucleus. Red blood cells are packed with a red pigment called hemoglobin. Blood is a dash tissue. Diffusion is the spreading out of particles resulting in a net movement from an area of dash to an area of lower concentration. The right option is higher concentration. Xylem tissue is composed of dash. Answer is hollow tubes. Red blood cells are packed with a red pigment called dash hemoglobin. What is the function of red blood cell? It transports oxygen from lungs to other parts of the body. Both plant and animal cells have cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Which two structures are present in red blood cell? Cytoplasm and cell membrane. What is crenation? Crenation is the formation of spikes on animal surface when placed in hypertonic solution. What is the function of chloroplast? Chloroplasts is a site of photosynthesis. This structure allows material to enter and exit the cell. Answer is cell membrane. An organelle that directs all the cell activities and stores DNA is called nucleus. An organelle that takes in sunlight energy, carbon dioxide and water to make food is called chloroplast. A rigid structure that protects and provides support to the cell is called cell wall. Which two organelles are not present in the animal cells? Right option is cell wall and chloroplast. If there is a high concentration of water outside of a cell, where will the water want to go? The right option is into the cell. A fluid that fills the cell and holds the organelle in place is called cytoplasm. So, that's all about your quiz. Good luck for your quiz. Allah Hafiz. Take care.